Hello, I am Dr. Venkat Mysore, dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon, Venkat Center for Skin and Plastic Surgery, Bangalore. I am here to talk to you and inform you how a consultation is done in Venkat Center. What happens when you come here? At the outset, I want to tell you that a hair patient, when he comes, often is a little confused, sometimes anxious, sometimes worried about his condition. Confused because he might have read something. He will be confused about different drugs, their side effects, or confused about different surgeries, FUT, FUE. You must remember that hair is necessary for beauty, for emotion. It is not necessary for life, for health. So often hair causes psychological issues out of proportion to the problem. If somebody were to be bald and decide to be bald and is not unhappy about it, there is no need for any treatment. This is something which you have to understand. But anyway, we appreciate this that the patient is often anxious. So we have a very systematic process of consultation. First step is registration, and at the front desk, our staff may ask you, what's your problem? If you say I have a hair issue, then they may give you a questionnaire, and then you will be sent to one of our junior consultants or senior registrars who are qualified dermatologists who will examine you in detail, do some preliminary test like hair pull test, or they may suggest a hair scan. The hair scan is an instrument which helps to determine the density and diameter of the hair in different areas. It will say whether the density has gone down, how much it has gone down, how many are alive, how many are dead, what are the status of existing hair. So it provides useful information. It's a very useful thing to do, but it is not compulsory. And then they may also provide further information about some treatments which you might be given. After this, you will be sent to the consultant, which is either me, Dr. Venkat, or Dr. Aniket, our plastic surgeon. And then once you come to me or Dr. Aniket, we will once again examine you, take some relevant history, examine your hair, the different parts of the hair, including the occipital area or the donor, what we call, discuss with you all aspects, whether you need simply drugs, whether you need platelet-rich plasma, whether you need laser, whether you need hair transplantation. Then we may ask you two questions. One, how much is the problem affecting you psychologically, emotionally? And two, how bad you feel about it? How stressed are you about it? These are very important questions because these will decide the attitude of the person and the requirement of the person. And in any cosmetic treatment, remember here is a cosmetic treatment, patient has a right to choose, and we have to customize the treatment to the requirement of the person. Based on this, we will give you our opinion as to what you need. It may be case of drugs in somebody, platelet-rich plasma in somebody, surgery in somebody else, laser in somebody else, or a combination of these. That depends upon your state of baldness. And then once this is done, if a procedure has been advised to you, we may send you to the counselor who is very knowledgeable about this, who has been with us for a long time. She will give you further information as to how to book the procedure, the instructions, if you are coming from outstation, where to stay, all such things. At the end of it, if you say, yes, I will do the procedure, you go ahead with it, book a date, do blood test, whatever. If you say, no, I don't want it, I want some time to think, that's perfectly when you go home and think. We also suggest you that you visit our website, www.thevenkatcenter.com, or we may show you a presentation in our center if you wish to see. All these are very important for the management of a hair patient. Hair consultation is not a quick consultation. It takes 45 minutes to 1 hour in our center. So when you come here, you must be prepared for this. Don't think that you will come see us in 5 minutes, get a prescription and go. It is not managed that way. And then if you have any further doubts, you are welcome to contact us either by visiting us or by an email or by WhatsApp. We remain accessible to you. Our job here is to customize the treatment and suit it to your requirements. We do not push any patient towards an expensive treatment, and we practice this in a very ethical manner. Our objective is to plan for the patient's health, skin, and hair, not just today, over a long time. Hair loss is a long term problem. It is not in days or weeks, it is in months and years. So we have to plan for that. And our objective is to help you for a long period of time. So this is how it is done. If you have any doubts, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you very much.